If you're shopping for a Yoyo3 and you're wondering what are the updates from the Yoyo2, well, good news for you. In this video, I'm going to be doing a full comparison of the Stokke Yoyo3 and the BabyZen Yoyo2, and I'll tell you why the names are different in the video as well. And if you don't know me, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans Videos. I review and compare strollers and car seats on YouTube. We have the most comprehensive catalog of reviews out there on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel today. Drop a comment below. I'll answer all your questions. And now I'm going to be comparing the BabyZen Yoyo2 and the Stokke Yoyo3. So this is the Stokke Yoyo3 and this is the BabyZen Yoyo2. Now let's start by talking about the names. Why was this called the BabyZen and this called the Stokke? A number of years ago, Stokke bought BabyZen, and which was like the original French company, and Stokke is this amazing Norwegian company that we love, and it's a great marriage of brands, and they were fantastic stewards of this fantastic stroller, and they made upgrades that we've been looking for. So the first thing you should know about the strollers is, in terms of structurally, they are the same. So people have been asking ever since I launched my original video of the Yoyo3. By the way, I'll put a link to that in the description below and above so you can watch the full review. People have been asking, like, does this turn into a double stroller in a different way, or does it do anything functionally different? Functionally, it is the same, but they did make upgrades that people are really looking for in terms of things that it can do. So let me start by talking about the Canopy. So you'll see, here's the Yoyo2 canopy. You'll see it's this like double, this one pop out of a canopy. But if you look at the Yoyo3, looks similar, but now there's this extra panel which gives you extra sun protection. This is something that people have been looking for a long time. There's no zippered opening, but I think this is actually even more convenient than a zipper because you just pop it up. And then if you wanted to pop it all in with just have this single visor, you could do that as well. While I'm here, they also changed the peekaboo window situation. You can see this semicircular peekaboo window. They have a different shape of it, but they also added this extra ventilation on the back. So there's this ventilation. Don't worry, they did not get rid of that super convenient pocket that people love. That is not an upgrade, but that is something that has just switched over, but they do have this nice new little detail on the zipper if you are super nerdy about strollers like I am. Another thing that they changed about the stroller is there's a reflective rim around the wheel, and there's no reflection on the Yoyo2. But the thing that I think people have really been wanting to know is in terms of the seat height. So they did change the seat height in some capacity. Let me show you. So there's the new seat pad for the Yoyo3, and here's the seat pad for the Yoyo2. So from the bottom of the seat pad of the Yoyo2 to the top, it's 14 inches. The bottom of the seat pad to the top is now 16 inches. So the seat pad is higher. So you're going to be able to have a taller kid in the stroller. But just so you know, if you have a Yoyo2, you can get the pad and the canopy from the Yoyo3 and put it in retro. Thank you, Stokke. Thank you. That's so cool of you. You can get this situation and put it on your old stroller, which is really nice. And in the canopy, they added a pillow. So check this out. So you can add so the pillow even gives it more height. So from the bottom to the top of the pillow, let's just recline this down. So to recline it, what you do is you just pull these two little like loop things down, and it pushes it down. And there you see the pillow and the seat. From the bottom, 16, add another, yeah, that's close to 20 inches. So you have a 20-inch seat height on the Yoyo3. I'm going to do a comparison with this in the Butterfly, don't worry. The Butterfly has a 22-inch seat height, so this really has gone from 14. They've increased the seat height for about 6 inches from the two strollers. That is a really, in the world of strollers, that's a pretty big deal. In terms of folding it down, they fold exactly the same way. So if you're wondering whether there's a new way to fold it, there isn't. Fold it down, but you'll notice here on the strap, there is mesh. So mesh is another main difference between this. I think it's very comfortable for the mesh, so it fits in the overhead compartment of an airplane, still does, etc. But you open this up, and there is not only mesh on the handlebar, but there's on the shoulder strap, but if you look behind here, there's mesh here as well. So you could, if you wanted to remove your baby, and if you're in a sort of a warm environment, you could just have your baby be right there on the mesh and have it be more ventilated. If you look on the back of the Yoyo2, there is no air mesh there as well. So that is a difference. They've also increased the basket weight of the Yoyo3, so there's a 22-pound basket. So you can carry more stuff in your Yoyo3 theoretically than you could with your Yoyo2. I'm going to put a link below to both of these strollers reviews. My previous reviews, I've done tons of reviews of the Yoyo in the past on the channel. And also I'm going to be doing more comparisons of the Yoyo3 with other popular lightweight travel strollers. So So don't forget to subscribe and watch all those comparison videos as well, and I'll see you at another video.